The CSEYP 3.1 Welding Inspection Quiz assesses knowledge crucial for maintaining high standards in welding, ensuring safety and integrity in various industries. Understanding the Charpy Impact Test is essential for evaluating the resilience of materials under sudden stresses, crucial in safety-critical structures. The side bend test is a reliable method for detecting flaws like lack of sidewall fusion in thicker welds, ensuring structural integrity. Welder qualification tests are vital for verifying a welder's ability to produce safe and quality welds under specified conditions. Grinding the toes of welds can significantly enhance fatigue life by removing stress concentrators and improving the weld profile. Root gap plays a critical role in achieving desired penetration and profile in butt joints, affecting the overall strength and integrity of the weld. Sharpness in fillet welds can lead to significant stress concentrations, potentially causing premature failure in structural applications. Inspecting the root bead for penetration depth is crucial for ensuring the strength and integrity of V-butt welds. Throat thickness is a key determinant of fillet weld strength, directly correlating with the weld's ability to withstand applied loads. EN 970 standardizes the NDE process for visual examination of fusion welds, enhancing reliability and consistency across inspections.